Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Mentor. Have you ever wondered how to get paid step by step for your work? How to make sure your clients stay happy throughout the project? Stick around because I will be showing you the secret to manage your project like a pro. Imagine starting a project and knowing exactly when and how you will get paid for each part of it. Sound great, right? Today I'm going to explain you how to break down a fixed project on Upwork by using Milestone. The simple method can help you to get paid more often and make sure your work easy to manage. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what milestones are. Milestones are smaller tasks that make your whole project. Milestone has on deadline and payment, the way you get paid for each part of the project you complete. Why should we use a milestone? Using a milestone is good because you will get paid in part, not all at once. It makes the project easier to manage. Your client can see your progress and trust you more. How to set a milestone? Break down the project. Look at the whole project, divide it into the smaller tasks. Each task should be a milestone. Name each milestone. Give each milestone a clear name. For example, if you are building a website, the first milestone can be home page design. Set deadline. Decide when and each milestone should be done. Make sure you have enough time to complete each task. Set payment for each milestone. Decide how much you will get paid for each milestone. Make sure the total amount equals the project total payment. Example project. Let's say you have a project to design a website. Here how you can break it down. Milestone 1, home page design. Deadline 1 week, payment $200. Milestone 2, about us page. Deadline 1 week, payment $150. Milestone 3, contact page, deadline 1 week, payment $150. Milestone 4, testing and final touch, deadline 1 week, payment $100. Setting up milestone on Upwork. Create a proposal. Go to the project you want to apply for it. Click on a submit a proposal. Add a milestone in the proposal. You will see a section for a milestone. Add each milestone with the name, deadline and payment. Once you have added all milestones, submit your proposal. Wait for the client to accept it. Working with a milestone. Complete each milestone. Work on each milestone and one by one. When you finish the milestone, submit it for review. After the client approves the milestone, you will get paid for it. Then move to the next milestone. Break down a fixed project into a milestone is a great way to manage your work and get paid in a part. It makes the project easier to handle and build trust with your client. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe Easy Mentor for more video tips in making money online. See you next time. And by the way, this was a comment which I got from one of our viewer. You can see her comment on the screen. So I create this video especially for her, and anyway I hope this will also help you. So see you later. Bye.